few days and he'll be good as new.
Noted. But if it don't work, we'll be back. Move out, boys.
Yeah, it's
Gotta
about
wonder about a man
someone
who could
less.
get Hendrik's
if
friends
you know
all
what I
worked
mean.
up. Hey, anybody home? Open up, it's safe now.
Devils, who do they bring? What seek ye?
I need your help.
Oh, a man, nay, a wolf, grey, though not
Cheers,
old.
Gabriel.
'Tis he the Peller awaits.
If they were gonna like cuss and be mean off the bat, then I might have killed them.
You were expecting me.
Aye, as the bones declared I should. They shall come whose stench is rape and death, but the wolf shall disperse them, the white wolf. And thus he comes. Omens never lie.
Recognize this? Made of spruce wood, strong smell of juniper, designed to protect someone.
Freshly cut spruce sprinkled with goat's blood, then tempered with an incense of earth, smoke and juniper. For Anna, to protect her.
You make the amulet?
Aye, sure 'twas the Peller. After the way of his forefathers, over still water in the light of a full moon. Proper
Love
as
this game.
amulets
It's like
go.
playing a movie.
It protected
It's
well.
awesome.
Should never have taken it off.
They should make a witch at the Telltale.
So, designed to protect her. From what?
Oh, the dear. Besieged she was, evil all around, wanting to possess her. Old magic, born of oblivion, from dark sources emerged.
Old magic? Can you be more specific?
'Tis not for mouth speech, nor for the touch.
Just as
A
coat
small
oven
protective
mittens.
charm, like a thing more repeller could do.
That's how I roll,
Anna and her
man.
daughter are missing.
What a gear
Know where
set.
they
Yeah,
are.
that's how I roll.
Nay, no, nay. Pella don't know. But the spirits could know. The Pella will augur, the spirits ask.
Spirits. Great. Fine with me. Long as I know where to look, where to find them.
Lost, must be found. Princess! None better than princess for finding things.
Princess? Which princess?
Princess, my goat! She's fled.
Those men must have scared her off. Can we get back to the auguring?
Without the goat, impossible. No goat, won't work.
Will you help me if I bring the goat back?
Princess, princess! Where have you got to, girl?
Fine. I'll get your goat.
The bell. The little bell's ringing. She loves it. Ring, ring, and she will follow. But for a while. But beware of wild strawberries. Raspberries, too.
Yeah, treacherous as beasts go. I always keep an eye out for them.
Oh crap, I really have to like hustle on the goat. These goddamn goats.
This way, I think. There you are. Come on, let's go see the Peller. This way, Your Grace. Should have guessed as much. What's a witcher compared to a patch of wild strawberries? Come on, take you back to the Peller.
What a
This is
quest,
just something
eh?
awful.
Come
Where the
back.
hell'd you go?
How's it going, Creepy Cube? Hope you're having a good day today, man.
Bear! Bear! Run, you stupid piece of shit!
Oh, damn. Holy crap. Wow. Wow. Quick. Up your butt. Oh shit. Yes! Get wrecked. That bear hide, damn. Come on, princess.
Do I really have to keep ringing this bell for you to follow?
Is this quest frustrating you? Is it getting your goat? I don't know. Bjorn started in The Witcher. Ah, starred. Yeah, Bjorn. I only just got that. Come on. Come on. Come on, princess. You piece of shit.
You're no roach, but I bet we could be friends in time. You've got that all-important quality every roach has to have. You don't talk much.
Alright, come on, back to the peddler. Cheese time, Stampy. Nice.
Princess, flee not from the
Cute.
Peller. Nowhere is.
Ah,
Goat of mine, dearest, sweetest goat.
piece of shit. It's a bear. Bear! Run, you stupid piece of shit.
Happy for you, but I'm kinda in a hurry. Anna and Tamara, they might be in danger.
The White Wolf helped the Peller, and so the Peller shall help him. Blood. We need blood. A living being.
This is messed up.
Fine. Be right back.
What? Oh my god.
Will this do?
Part of the ritual is to smash the bowl. What are you on about, Liz? No, I'm not Kiwi. I'm not from New Zealand. I'm South Australian.
They are not here. There is blood. Blood. I see blood.
Whose?
No Anna, no Tamara, just a child. A child that lives not, yet did not die.
Blood for the blood god. Indeed.
It's over? Is that it?
That is it.
Spirits had nothing more to say? Like where they went or where they are now?
You came for an augury, and augur I did. They're gone, the child remains.
Mentioned a child. Whose?
Why, Anna's.
Anna was pregnant?
She was, and she miscarried.
Baron didn't mention it.
Afraid, perhaps, or ashamed, or forgetful.
Baby
or perhaps
Baba
he had no
banger.
wish to remember.
Like as in a sausage banger. Oh no, you're not meaning that then.
Anna tell you all this?
Holy
Did she
crap.
come here after it happened?
Nay, not Anna. 'Twas the omens told me.
Great, so I can be sure it's true.
The omens need not your faith to be true. It is you who needs the omens to lead you to truth.
The Baron have anything to do with his wife's miscarriage?
Foul-tempered he is, and he's a fondness for hooch.
No doubt makes his temper even fouler. Did he abuse his family? Anna came to you, you must have noticed something.
The Pella's old, near blind, but Princess came and licked her hand.
So what?
Oh yeah, bangers and mash.
She's a wise beast. Only comes to those who suffer.
The child, what happened to it?
What happened to the child?
In a grave thrown, without
Mutton
rite
masher.
or ceremony,
I don't know what
it
that is.
awoke. Now it wanders, it seeks vengeance.
A botchling.
White wolf, wise wolf, catch the botchling. The botchling will help, lead the wolf to the loved ones.
Botchlings suck the blood of pregnant women and eat their fetuses. They don't help.
'Tis a being cursed, and witches lift curses. If the white wolf can't lift it, he should bring me its blood. Blood will always find kindred blood.
Heard of one witcher who lifted a botchling's curse. Never tried it myself, though. I know you need to bury it under the threshold.
And give it a name. Perform the Aim Roin.
The ritual of naming? That's an elven custom.
Human, elven, dwarven, ancient. Spirits have no race. They honor not its meaning. Win a spirit's favor, and the spirit shall aid you. Ask, and it will answer. Seek, and it will show you the way.
Why do you want its blood?
Blood, blood, blood. It binds men for all ages, the living and the dead.
Sure, but what do you want to do with it?
At times, a century is too short for two brothers to reconcile. One dies before things are set right. The other then brings his blood to the Pella.
And what does the Peller do?
He awaits Forefather's Eve. He mixes the blood with milk, herbs, and hen's feet. He drinks to reconcile the dead with the living. There shall be no Forefather's Eve this year,
Hen's feet?
but we'll find a way, all the same.
I hear you right. You mentioned Forefather's Eve? Pretty old custom. Thought it had died out.
Death lurks in every bog and puddle round here. Folk know they could die, their earthly matters unresolved. Then they require help, or they'll not know peace. Forefather's Eve must be performed. Light the tallow candles to lead them through the dark. Call them by name, appease their regrets. Only then may they depart in peace.
Cool.
Whatever I do, I gotta find the botchling first.
Seek it at midnight, near the grave that lies empty.
Goat
If
to
what
be
you say
kidding
is
me.
true, the Baron ought to know where that
All
grave
you hear in the
is.
background's the goat cutting sick. It's quite Why god damn it. What's happening out here? Shut up, goat. I wonder if this will harm it.